Hello everyone, welcome to Innovative Priya. It's all about art. So right now I am just wetting my whole sheet with water, and then on top of it I am adding color. This technique is called wet on wet, and I am using my fan brush and I am just dabbing it like this, and the color is taking its own shape. So in between two layers of orange I am adding yellow the same way I did it before, and the colors are coming beautiful. So now it's time to add the carousel in the painting, and I'm using top right corner to add two circles. You can use any two circles of different sizes like this, and then after that just make some lines. They are not necessarily need to go at one point, they can meet at different points as well, like this. Here at bottom left corner I am adding a little bush, a tree bush coming visible at the left end, and I am making some branches, and on top of it I am going to add some loose leaves by adding some dry black color in my dry brush and using this dabbing technique.